Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever found yourself drowning in a pile of old images or files in Canva, today's tutorial will be a real-time saver. I'm going to walk you through step by step how you can delete all unwanted images from your Canva trash folder, automatically clearing up space and tidying your projects. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to keep your Canva workspace clean and organized with just a few clicks. Let's jump right in. First off, open up Canva either on your browser or the app, whatever you're most comfortable with. If you're anything like me, you probably accumulate tons of graphics and images over time, and it's easy for your workspace to start feeling a little cluttered. So taking a few moments now to clear things out will really help you work faster in the future. Once you're in Canva, go ahead and select the project that has the images or files you want to delete. You'll find all your designs right on the homepage, so just click on the one you want to clean up. Maybe you have an old presentation or social post you're not using anymore, or perhaps it's a project where you've uploaded lots of photos that you no longer need. Select that project and let's get to work. Inside your project, take a look through your uploads or the workspace where your files are stored. Now, what we want to do is select all the images or files you want to trash. You can click on them one by one, or if you want to select a bunch at once, you can usually hold down the Shift key on your keyboard while you click, just like if you were selecting multiple files on your computer. If you accidentally select something you didn't mean to, don't worry, you can always click again to deselect. The key here is to make sure you're only choosing the items you really don't need anymore, so take your time and scroll through if you have a lot in there. With your unwanted images or files highlighted, look towards the middle bottom of your screen. You should see a trash can icon. This is Canva's way of saying, "Are you sure you want to toss these?" Sometimes the icon might be a little tricky to spot if you're new to the interface, but just give the bottom area a good glance. Once you find it, go ahead and click the trash icon. You might get a little confirmation window just to make sure you really want to remove all those files. This is Canva's way of double-checking so you don't accidentally delete something important. If you're sure, just confirm, and that's it. All those unwanted images or files are sent straight to the trash, freeing up space and making your Canva workspace a whole lot neater. If you ever need to clear the trash folder itself, for example, to permanently delete files and make even more room, you can head into the trash area and repeat the process or just hit empty trash to wipe it all out in one sweep. Give yourself a pat on the back. Keeping your digital workspace tidy makes working in Canva smoother and more enjoyable, kind of like cleaning off your real desk. If this helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you have any other Canva questions or run into any trouble, drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help. And if you want more straightforward, helpful tutorials like this one, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.